Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix error 195. AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So when you're installing AMD software and you get interrupted or get terminated because of error 195, it means your AMD servers or AMD driver a temporary detected by antivirus software and firewall settings, and also AMD servers may be offline for maintenance. So in case the AMD servers may be temporarily offline due to the maintenance in the point 4, you cannot do anything. You just wait until the AMD servers run normally. And also you have to if you still use AMD auto detect, I recommend you to click or search your driver manually per graphic. Radeon RX, for example, 7000 series. Here, submit, and based on your operating system, you can download the AMD Software Adrenaline Edition package here instead of AMD a auto detect. And also make sure you can disabling your antivirus software temporarily until installation AMD software package is complete, and also configure your system firewall by allow traffic with AMD servers while the AMD software is still running. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.